So these we can get some of the underpants that we sell in our store. Eh? Best dad ever, number one dad. Yo, happy Father's Day. See, I get a little Father's Day cake. Jump man, happy Father's Day. You see Jump man? That's like a Jordan. When you see Jump man, you know Jay-Z involved with this motherfucker.
All right, so you have to open the first one first, the big one.
I'm gonna open this one first. Yeah. Damn. Look at this, man. Yeah. Damn, you go, girl. Woo! Woo! Damn. Damn. Oh, Wooly. Hey. Come over here. Kisses like a wishes. Damn, look at this motherfucker.
It matched with the cake. You see?
Motherfucker, look at this. Shit. Oh, fuck. I gotta take pictures of this like a motherfucker.
Go to the next one. You can put it all together in a minute.
Yeah.
Look at him, y'all. Making it so long.
All right. Shit.
Okay. Yeah, I told you it was a card in each one.
Yeah, a card in each one. Damn, card. Come here, card. Man. Damn, yo. It's the first Father's Day I'm father up. Like, yo. I have a deep respect for you when I see you, how you bring a game to your family, and I'm feeling all kind of pride when you handle your business as a dad and as my husband. Thank you, my wife, you know what I'm saying? Baby, don't change for no one. Continue to be great. I love you with all my heart. I love you too, sugar plum, plum, plum.
All right, go to the next one. It's a card in the next one too. This one.
This, I gotta put this all up, you know what I'm saying? It's like forever stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Card first.
Oh, card first. Let me see. Yo, there's so much cards, man. Like, yo, that life is showing up and stepping up. Busy mornings and late nights. Oh my, look at this.
It's a
like
keychain.
Yeah, it's a keychain, baby. Oh, happy Father's Day from Terrence. I love you, Dad. Oh, that's my little son, Terrence. Man, raising a family isn't always easy, but it's a lot of fun. And I'm thankful and glad we're in it together. Happy Father's Day. Yes. Yeah, Terrence, you know. Yeah, Terrence Shambo J Moore, you know.
You want to take it out, go.
Yeah?
Go, just go in and look.
Woo! Woo! Baby, 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 look at this. Shit. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? An etiquette on the draws. You know? Kisses again, baby. Woo. 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 Woo.
King.
King. Oh.
The only thing that can stop me is me.
Wow. Dance all night. I wanna party all night. I wanna dance.
All right, go to the next one.
Etika. Put it right away as I got. Every mickle make a muckle. Everything count. Everything count. Wow.
Don't drop it inside on the cake.
No, you create cake? I want my cake to slap way like a nap way. Wow. I wanna dance all night. I wanna party all night. I wanna.
All right, go to the last one.
Father's Day. Yo, gift there like a rift. Gift there like a rift. No, what is? This look crazy. No, sir. Big box. Big box business. Eh? Course again. Why? Big international course again. Jesus Christ. Look at the course, them bad man. $400 course. Damn. Look at this.
It's shiny.
It's shining like a diamond.
It is diamonds in it. You don't see the diamonds in it?
That's my fault. Yeah. Don't you see it? Diamonds all like a ruby pebble. You know the rap artists sing about ruby pebble? Yeah. So much light in my face I can't even see which side to put it on. You know what I'm saying? Diamond District, you know. You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to my wife, Mara Curlew, you know what I'm saying? To my son, Terrence, you know what I'm saying? To my other son, Shamar, aka Little Shambo. And last but not least, to my first son, Jamar Tyree Curlew, you know. Your dad been holding it down for real, you know what I'm saying? Gotcha. Peace. Out.